The Fahrenheat PLF504 is a hydronic baseboard heater that features low surface temperatures and a steady convection flow. It is among the smallest baseboard heating options available, which restricts its capabilities in warming larger rooms. Despite its low heat output, it can be an ideal fit for smaller rooms. The long warranty period is also a plus. This electric baseboard heating unit has a hydronic heating tube for increased heat dispersion. The sheathed electric heating element is immersed in a heating transfer liquid within a copper tube that is designed to prolong its heat retention and create pervasive heating for a room. This reservoir continues to radiate warmth even after the thermostat is turned off, ensuring the temperature doesn't drop off suddenly. This heat dissipation model is ideal for delivering a steady convection flow, though like many hydronic heaters, it heats up slowly. Thanks to the hydronic heating element, the metal casing never becomes too hot. Besides having obvious safety advantages, the low surface temperature can also prolong the life of the unit. In terms of length, this electric baseboard heater is the smallest unit I reviewed. It measures 28 inches long, delivering 500 watts of electrical output for heating a room up to 50 square feet in size. This equates to an operational performance of 1705 BTUs, which makes it ideal for very small rooms like closets and bathrooms. Despite its compact design and limited heating capabilities, it still requires 240-volt wiring. The unit comes with a 10-year warranty that protects all aspects of the heating element and its hydronic casing. This is among the longest warranty periods in my review. Installing the heater in a pre-existing heating location shouldn't prove too difficult thanks to pre-notched marks for mounting and power supply connections. The Fahrenheat PLF504 is a reliable and well-constructed heater, utilizing a hydronic sheath to create long-lasting heat in a room. However, its low wattage reduces its heat output drastically and makes it only suitable for installation in small rooms. Because it does not support 120-volt wiring, this unit is restricted to homes with 240-volt wiring already in place.